up guys, hopefully you guys are doing good. So today guys, I'm going to polish this thing on my car's side trims. As you see, those black trims, they are always faded away a little bit, so this thing is supposed to restore them. I got this from China. This is from Timo. I will put the link in the description, and we'll see how it works. Let me show you. I put a little bit on the other side. Just going to restore the whole thing, as you can see right here. So I just put it on this side, and after I let it dry for like 5 minutes, that's what it says. I have to wipe off the rest of it, and then we'll see how long this black shine stays. As you can see, I only polished this. Looks the difference. See that? So all of it. See those things? So I'm going to polish the whole thing, and I'll then show you after. Okay guys, so check this out. This is how it looks. So this white thing does not go away, because you know what this is? This is a polish that when I polished my car before, it was there and I did not remove it for a long time, and it just got stuck there. Probably has to use the sandpaper to remove it. And look at the rest of it. And this white sign also, it was a polish there for a long time. So other than that, look how dark it looks compared to before. See that? I think it's pretty good, but now the question is how long it's gonna hold like that. You see that plastic trim turns all black, so we'll see how long it's gonna hold this color. Although I did not even use like half of it, so I can still use that maybe 3-4 times more. And I believe it was $5 or $6, including shipping from Timo. So I think it's pretty nice product. Instead of painting this plastic trim, you should use this whole thing and make it look like new. So if you have any question, do let me know in the comment below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.